The sloth, the ultimate champion of taking it slow. With their sleepy eyes and slow, deliberate movements, they seem to live in their own peaceful world. They're the masters of chilling out, rarely in a hurry, always calm. Sloths spend most of their lives hanging upside down in trees, moving so slowly it looks like time is standing still. They eat leaves, nap for up to 20 hours a day, and avoid danger by just blending into the forest. But don't be fooled by their chill. Sloths have strong claws and a surprising grip that keeps them safe high above the ground. They even swim slowly but steadily when needed. Here's a funny fact: sloths can hold their breath for up to 40 minutes underwater. They swim by moving their arms gently, like little underwater yogis. Can you imagine living life this slow? Maybe we could all learn a thing or two from the sloth's relaxed vibe. Slow and steady might just be the best way to enjoy the world.